If your Hotmail inbox is overflowing and you feel like you're drowning in old messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to delete Hotmail emails in bulk, so you can reclaim your inbox and breathe a little easier. This is the full 2025 guide, and by the end of this video, your inbox will look cleaner than it has in years. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Outlook login page. Just open your preferred browser, type Outlook, and click the official login link. Once you've reached the familiar Outlook sign-in screen, hit the sign in button and enter your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, click on Mail in the navigation panel. This takes you straight to your email view. Once you've opened your mail section, find your inbox on the left-hand side and click it. You should now be looking at all the emails currently sitting in your Hotmail inbox now for the good part, the bulk delete. Sure, you can click emails one by one, but we're going for speed here. At the top of your email list, you'll see a small checkbox. That little box is your power tool today. Click it, and Outlook will automatically select every email on your current page. This alone can save you minutes or even hours, depending on how many messages you've let pile up. With your email selected, look for the delete icon, usually displayed as a small trash can. Go ahead and click it, just like that. All selected emails disappear from your inbox and move to your deleted items folder. Your inbox is now cleaner in seconds. Keep in mind though, these messages aren't permanently gone just yet. Outlook keeps them in your deleted items folder for a short period, just in case you accidentally remove something important. If you're confident you don't need them, you can empty that folder too for even more space. And that's all it takes. Just a few clicks to unclog your inbox and make your email experience faster, lighter, and way more organized. If this guide helped you take control of your inbox, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.